Alright, what's up guys? Lego here with Dyna Demos. Rod's not going to be in this video, and I'm just bringing you a short video so you guys can see right now on the rear of my bike, I don't have any turn signals and I don't have a brake light. Check it out. Absolutely nothing. So I'm going to fix that. So I got this on Amazon. It was about $10. I'll put the link in the description for this. But it's got turn signals and it's also a rear brake light. This is just a temporary fix. I'm actually going to go with a full rear fender with an integrated tail light, so I'm not worried about getting something permanent right now. So this is just a temporary fix, so don't shoot me. All right. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you enjoy the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you, I got the left side set up, and I'm going to show you first that it works, and then I'll explain how I got it to work. Alright, so check it out. I'm going to turn the bike on, so I had to reconnect the battery, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the left turn signal. Now this is flipped opposite, so the right side's going to blink, but in order to fix that, all I have to do is flip the actual tail light, so easy fix. So as you can see right now, that left side's working. So the right side, but all I need to do is flip this and stick it on that way, and it works, right? So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect those with butt connectors. Now, like I said, this is a temporary fix. If I really wanted to get into it, I could use a soldering gun and solder the wires together, but it's a temporary fix, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make sure I turn off my bike now, and then I'm going to disconnect the battery again. So the reason you disconnect the battery, if you don't, you could really screw things up. One thing that could happen is you can pop your fuse, and if you pop your fuse, your bike's not going to come on, and then you're going to take it to a Harley dealership, and they're going to charge you $100 to change one freaking fuse. So don't do that. So now the next thing I'm going to do is show you guys how the wires are. Alright guys, hopefully you can see the colors pretty well. So black to black is obviously negative. So green wire is for the actual tail light, and that's going to be the left turn signal. So the green wire is going to the violet, and then the white wire, which is your low beam or your running tail light, is connected to the blue wire on the left side. The right side is going to be different. As you can see, there's two more wires down there, and then the next one would be black for negative. But that's it guys. So the left side, I'm going to connect this with butt connectors. I'll try to have it playing, but it's kind of hard to show, so I'm just going to do the best that I can. So now that I know which wire goes where, I am going to stick this on. So it's got 3M sticky tape on the back, and I am going to put this on the rear fender. And like I said, not worried about it being perfect because this is a temporary fix, but I like doing stuff myself, so I think this is going to be pretty sweet, because how many dudes do you see with this? I think it's going to be pretty dope. So I got to figure out how I'm going to run the wires exactly, because I don't want the wires to accidentally hit the tail, the tire, excuse me. So I'm going to figure out how to route the wires, and I'll show you guys how I route the wires, but I'm gonna splice them right now. Alright guys, so hopefully you can see this. Got all the wires connected with butt connectors. Not super pretty, so these are heat shrink butt connectors. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to heat them up, and then I am just going to put them right there. and hopefully they last, you know, about a week or two until I get my full fender. I just want to be legal to ride, or at least semi-legal. All right, guys, here it is. Not pretty by any means, but functional. Yes. Alright guys, so what I did was I connected this red wire to the blue turn signal and the yellow wire to the violet. The reason I connected the yellow to the violet was the yellow is the right side turn signal, so I figured it's probably the same exact as the other side, which violet was the turn signal, and then red goes to blue, which should be the rear brake light. So that's what I went with. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it. So in order to test it, I'm going to need to connect the battery. So no sparks so far. That's a good sign. Let's see if the turn signals work. Boom. Left side. Working. Rear brake light. I guess that one's hard to see. Flashers. Well, I'm gonna have to check the video for the rear brake light because I can't really. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. It's really hot right now. Like you can see, you know, this isn't the prettiest job, but it gets the job done. I'm only gonna use this for about a week or two, so I don't care how it looks. I'm going to a full fender. Not worried about it being pretty at all. If you guys like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out, and we're gonna be bringing you guys a lot of good content. So. Yeah.